Good morning. Today is June 14. It's my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, mother. She turned 71 today and she's in the Philippines for 3 weeks. As you can see, my garden bed, they're out. I just pulled them all out this morning because it has been raining a lot and they're not gonna do well in soaking beds. And they're gonna start sprouting. So just have to pull them out, and a lot of them are really big, really nice size, really nice. I'm very surprised considering they were very tiny when I planted them. I took a chance and boom, got a good harvest. I planted about 350 garlic, 350 cloves of garlic. Now I have 350 bulbs of garlic, and I left those for my mother to harvest when she gets back. And other side of the garden, this is a shallot. No, green onions, just a flower. Look at that. And that's also green onion over there. My mother's green onion. This was another bed of garlic, and I harvested them. And I planted new seeds. I planted kale, Swiss chards, and water spinach, which is kangkong. That's my mother's potatoes. Some, what's that? Tomatoes. And there's Angelo's. That's a kumquat from Las Vegas. But that one there is calamansi, which is like a lime or lemon, but tastes better. Those are kangkong from cuttings from when we bought some at the Asian store, and those are the leftover cuttings. And the other side of the garden, I think, you know what? I'm not even sure if that's cucumbers, zucchini, watermelon, or squash, because I just threw the seeds on the ground and boom. And that's peppers. I'm not even sure which peppers, but we planted varieties. Look at that. And we have some jalapeno back there. My daughter Cassandra loves to eat fresh jalapenos from the garden. And that one right there, wait a minute. There you go. Green, that's green. Is it? Yeah, I think that's green peppers or red. I'm not sure. Maybe it's red, but it's just green right now. It's another jalapeno. And of course, we have eggplants, tomatoes, and that one is a potato, a big pot of potatoes. That one I just bought it yesterday. It's jalapenos. I'm gonna plant that somewhere because my daughter Cassandra loves jalapenos, guys. She eats them like chips. This one on this side are onions, white and yellow onions. They're not ready to come out. I had some Swiss chards down there. I actually harvested a lot yesterday for cooking. And those are shallots, which are not ready to go. And like I said, I left that for my mother to harvest. And look how big we are. Like almost half the size of my palm. Alright guys, that's my harvest for garlic harvest for 2019. A very good one. I'm very proud of myself. Okay, bye.